Hey everybody, this is Jordan with My Freedom Smokes, and today we are going to be looking at the Airo Pod system by Veiik. So I've been using this pod system almost exclusively for the past 2 weeks. We actually got it in as a sample at first, and we decided to bring it in and see how it would do on our shelves. The reason I've been using it exclusively is I am really enjoying it. It's sleek, it's got a good design, and above anything, the hit on it is great. So in the box, we have our user manual, certificate of inspection, and a nice yellow caution card. Also, you get a battery with one pod pre-installed. And then we have an accessory box. In the accessory box, you've got your USB charging cable, another pod, which is at 1.2 ohm. I believe all of these are at 1.2 ohms. And some spare rubber plugs. And these are for the pod. They actually aren't attached to the pod anywhere, so the juice fill, these go right in, which I kind of think this is a miss. I think they should have attached it. Sometimes sliding in, it won't slide in correctly, but I mean, at least they do give you some extras. So the Veiik kit is the definition of style and performance. I mean, this thing, it's no longer than about a finger long. It's almost an inch wide, and it's very sleek. You can't tell it fits in your pocket. It can go anywhere with you. It's perfect. And this pod system is available in blue, black, red, brown, and rainbow. What I also like about this pod is this leather-like feel on the sides of this. It gives it a nice sleek feel. It's not real leather, of course, but it gives you that nice sleek feel. It kind of classes it up a little bit. I really like it. It's smooth, and it just gives a good overall look to the system itself. So the pod is magnetically held into place. It's got a nice friction to it. It fits well. It doesn't rattle around. It's not loose. It's very snug, very secure. I've never had any. I've dropped it a couple times. The pods never came out or anything like that. It's real sturdy. It's got a good weight to it. It's a real sturdy mod. It's a real sturdy battery. Excuse me. I'll put that in there. At the bottom here, we have our LED indicator light. You got white for fully charged, blue for about half, and red when it's about dead. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple hits of this thing. It is auto draw, so no buttons required, no fuss, nothing like that. In here I have a 25 milligram Cloud Nerds watermelon apple. It's as good as it gets coming out of here. The flavor's on point. There's also a little hole by this charging port, and on the in the user manual it actually says that it gives you a little more flavor, which it does restrict the draw a little bit. You can definitely tell a little more flavor in there, but I mean it's just a nice option to have. The battery is 360 mAh, so you can get about a good half a day to a full day of vaping, depending on how much you do vape. But regardless, I mean, it's still worth it. It's a simple USB plug and go charger, so it works. Well, guys, it's been fun. Once again, this is Jordan with My Freedom Smokes, and this has been the Veiik Airo Pod system. We've got it on our shelves today if you want to stop in and pick one up, and we'll see you next time.